Alright, in this video I'm going to show how to fix a network error occurred PES 2021. Please try again later. If you're experiencing this problem when you're operating your PES efootball 2022 PES application, just make sure you watch this video until the end and subscribe if you're new for more tech tips, tricks. So head on to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings irrespective of the phone you're operating on, and then that search option is always generally available for almost every type of phone. So that search area above there where you see search settings, I want you to put DNS. Put the word DNS, and then you're going to select private DNS, and then after selecting private, you select the private DNS, which is the first option showing on your screen. Don't worry about the other DNS. You tap on it and then select the private DNS, provide the host name. You're going to change this dns.adgar.com, and then you're going to turn that to dns.google.com. dns.google.com. So when you change that and then you save, you should be able to do that. Save. After doing that, save and head back to your application. Head back to your efootball 2021 application and try to run it. You should be able to solve the problem. So that's the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new for more tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe.